I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the laptop and connecting to power so the system won't interrupt updates. Once done, sign in with your Microsoft or local account to sync settings. Make sure you join a secure Wi-Fi or plug Ethernet. Network access lets Windows fetch updates and drivers. Next, open Settings and check Windows Update. Install any critical patches now. This first set of steps prevents driver conflicts and lost work, and it gets the system ready for configuration and app installs. You now tweak the important settings so the laptop behaves how you expect. Start with display. Set resolution and scale for readable text, then adjust brightness and night light to reduce eye strain. Next, open Power and Sleep to pick a plan, balanced for daily use, Power Saver to extend battery, because that affects performance and heat. Once done, configure touchpad gestures and keyboard layout, then review privacy permissions for camera and microphone. These choices improve comfort and security while you use Windows. You finish by creating a restore point and enabling file history or cloud backup so you can recover easily. After installing drivers and apps, restart the laptop to apply changes, then sign back in and verify display, power, and input settings persisted. Make sure antivirus and Windows Update remain active. Run a quick system scan. If something goes wrong, like a device stops working, open Device Manager. Try rolling back the driver or uninstalling and reinstalling it. That usually fixes driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.